relationships? What's the greatest thing that you learned about love?
My love relationships? Oh, wow.
Na tinuro ko sa mga anak mo?
Oo, tinuro
About
ko.
love?
First of all, not to speak ill of your ex. This is really a lesson I've taught my kids. And Julia has experienced bad relationships, but you won't hear her speak ill of them. I teach that. I teach independence to my daughters. You never to run after a man pag ayaw na. Totoo yun. I mean, pagka kunyari, lalo na pag boyfriend and girlfriend, like, this is the time that you choose what's best for you. This is really the time for it. So I teach them that all the time. You can ask them this. Pagka may warning signs, pay attention. Huwag hindi sobrang mahal ko tong tao, hindi ko napapansinin to. Yung ganun, hindi yun. So you have to be treated well, with respect. I always say, pagka nawala na yung respeto, that's it. And I tell my kids, you know, I made so many mistakes in my life for a reason. So that you guys don't have to go through it. You know, I'm very open about my mistakes. It's for you to learn. If I keep it from you, it defeats the purpose of all my experiences.
Do you have a big say, Miss March, sa love life ng kids?
No. I don't make pakialam their love life. Pagka kunyari, one of my kids have a relationship ng away na walang kwenta, I'll say, oh, you know what? Kung ngayon palang away na kayo ng away, what if, when the real problem comes, ubos na kayo? Kung nakikipag-usap lang yung ikaw sa ibang lalaki, nagwawala na yung boyfriend, paano pag may totoong krisis na sa buhay nyo? Ubos na yung energy nyo. Diba?
So you talk to them lang like that. Pero there was never a time na pag yan, binoyfriend mo?
Never. Never. And then I pray. I pray pagka talaga nakikita ko, this is not good for my daughter. I pray. Tapos pag-break na, pinagdasal ko yun. Pinagdasal ko na. Oo, ganun na lang. You know, the power of prayer na lang. Kasi parang I'm scared. Kung the more I will tell them na wag, lalong maiintriga. Pero they'll tell you rin, Mom, you were right.
Paano yung sa love team stage ng buhay mo?
When I look back, it's always happy memories. I look back and I always remember like yung milestones namin. Oh my gosh, na-achieve natin to. Our first ever movie together, our first MMF together, daming first. So I look back and fall for it.
Pero paano mo na-handle yun nung time na yun, na yung love team mo, tapos you're in a relationship? Sobrang hirap nun. Tapos may fans pa in between.
Yeah.
And the management pa in between.
Right. It was a public relationship. Yun yung nangyari. And then that's why everybody felt like they were part of the relationship.
May say lahat.
May say lahat. But we were young, okay lang. And then you learn how to take care of your next one.
So ano natutunan mo dun sa relationship na yun?
Yeah, no, yung number one, basic. Just don't overshare. Be protective of your partnership. Don't let everybody in. And then, but second siguro is don't be possessive over a person. Just be a partner. Be a supportive partner. Hindi siya ownership pala. Kasi when you're in a relationship with your love team, you feel like you own each other in the relationship and then even at work. So parang you both probably don't feel like you can fly or explore. Yun lang. You don't own a person. You just become a partner pala of another person.